Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Whatever time you're watching this, welcome and greetings. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple recipe on the classic French toast. Now this is gonna be the simplest recipe, simplest ingredients. If you're on a budget, if you don't have that much time, if you just want something really easy to make, I got you. Let's get started. So for me, before I even start cooking anything, I always get everything out that I need. So that way I don't forget anything and I'm just prepared. I don't like scrambling around and getting things last minute because I just wanna be prepared. So let's get out all of our ingredients. And remember, they're simple. Now, I'm gonna crack our eggs. Don't worry about if it's too much because you can always just make the egg to eat. All you need is your bread, dipping it in the milk, and then we're gonna fry it. So let's get on to the stove. So get it in there. Don't press it, just damp it, okay? Just let it float in there. You don't gotta press it. Covered everything. Okay, and there you have it. Now the French toast is on. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna wait for it to get hot, and then you're just gonna keep turning it. Perfect, and it smells amazing. Keep pressing, keep pressing. You can really feel if it's gonna be soggy or if it's gonna be good. When it has that soft spot in some places, that's the portion that you gotta try to cook more. So I'm gonna turn it again. And we are done. Look at that. Now that is beautiful. French toast and eggs. Easy peasy. Alright guys, so as you saw, very simple to make. Hopefully you try it out. You know, it's not that hard. You just have to literally get up, go in the kitchen, take the ingredients out, and start. Now of course, we can't make the food and not eat it. So here we go. Here is how it looks. Ooh, it looks really good. I am actually really hungry, so listen, I love making food. I love making breakfast. You know, when I was a little bit younger, I didn't really like being in the kitchen for that long. So I would just kind of not really eat breakfast that much. And it's not good. Trust me, it's not good. And it also helps to start your day really well when you have something really good to eat. So try it out. Here's the first bite. Wow. This is the best I ever made. Okay. So, woo. That's so good. So I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna make my tea, because you know I gotta have my tea every morning. And then I'm just probably gonna watch some videos, some YouTube, some TV, catch up on some stuff, check my emails, you know, boring stuff. And then if you guys have any other things you want me to try, I got you. Simple is the best way. It's simple, you don't gotta think about it, just make it. get it over with. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for your continuous support. It really means a lot to me. Thank you guys.